How to find your USDT wallet address on KuCoin. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can find your USDT wallet address on KuCoin. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to find your USDT wallet address on KuCoin, what you have to do is first of all, go ahead and launch the KuCoin application. Then you want to just go to where it says assets from the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once you click on the assets tab, you'll basically see all these options where you have to click on the option that is deposit, which is at the top left hand side of course. Once you go to the option called deposit, since we are learning to find our USDT wallet address, we'll just select USDT Tether over here. If you want to find some other wallet address, you can search for them obviously, but I'll just select USDC. And once I've done that over here, you'll be able to see your USDT wallet address. If you want, you can also select the networks. In this case, it's ERC20. If you want to change it, just select it. You can find many other networks in this case. You can just go ahead and select those networks over here as well. And that's all it takes to go ahead and find your USDT wallet address on KuCoin. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.